Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Soloadsx for your affiliate marketing. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning from me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, affiliate marketing is a gigantic industry that is all set to spend $8.2 billion by 2022 in the US only. The global affiliate marketing spends is 3 times higher than 8.2 billion. So you can use several marketing techniques to promote your affiliate products, but if you need instant traffic and commission, you must try Soloadsx. Leading affiliates use Soloadsx for affiliate marketing, list building, and making money. Peng Jun, for instance, built a list of 19,000 subscribers in as low as 8 days and earned $16,000 from affiliate sales. How exactly to do it? How you can use Soloadsx for affiliate marketing like a pro? I'll show you step by step in the actionable guide. But first, what is Soloadsx? A Soloadsx is an email advertisement where your email is sent to a list by the list owner for a price. Your email with your links and message is sent to the email list that is not owned by you. In other words, you rent someone else's email list. Assume you are promoting a weight loss affiliate product and you contact a blogger who owns a massive list in the weight loss niche, and he or she agrees to send your email to his list or her list for a fixed price per click. So this is what Soloadsx is. The list owner gets paid and you receive highly targeted traffic to your landing page. You can use Soloadsx to promote affiliate product via your squeeze page. You can't send traffic directly to your affiliate product unless if the owner of the email list they allow you to do so. Sending traffic to your squeeze page is recommended since you be building your list that you can send email later yourself instead of sending traffic directly to your affiliate products. So using Soloadsx for list building is a very lucrative business model. So how you can do it? In the description of this video, you can find step-by-step guide on how Soloadsx for affiliate marketing works. First, choose an affiliate product. Start by selecting an affiliate product that you promote. This has to be a product with upsell and the actual price of the product should be fairly low. For instance, you can choose a product with base price of $10 and maybe you get commission of 50%. So such a low price product is easier for you to sell. The idea is to make people buy a low-cost affiliate product, and then later on you can convince them to upgrade and upsell purchase, which should be higher price, maybe $50 or more. Since you'll be pitching the affiliate products to people who do not know you yet, so it will never be easy to sell a high-end product at the beginning. So a cheap product works the best. Second, find Soloadsx seller. This is the real task. A Soloadsx seller or Soloadsx vendor is the person whose email list you run. The seller will send your email to his list or her list for an agreed amount. So you pay the seller a fee for using their list. Finding a high quality, honest and affordable Soloadsx seller is not easy. The best technique to find quality Soloadsx seller is to look for Soloadsx directory. There are several solo ad directory where you can find all types of people with all types of lists. The best solo ad directory is no other than Udimi. It is transparent, user-friendly, and has a huge list of sellers from all countries around the world and have several niches that you can choose. You can create a free account and check out how it works with this solo ad. You can find in the link in the description below. It will brings you to Udimi and see if it works for you the best or not. Soloadsx is another directory that handpicks solo ad seller for you. The number of sellers is limited, but expect some high quality sellers here. I personally use Udimi and it works great. You can search seller in your niche and you can check the reviews and see the traffic geography. Here is the screenshot of a seller's traffic geography. The best thing about Udimi is that the seller identity is verified, that keeps the network transparent. The traffic is also monitored and filtered by Udimi, so you don't get low quality traffic from the third world countries. You want to get from the first tier countries. Its review system help you find the perfect seller based on review and rating. You should give a Udimi a try and explore the sellers and see if it works for you or not. Solo ad directories are not the only way to hunt for vendors. You can find sellers directly by simply Google search and use the main keyword plus solo ad seller to find solo ad seller in your niche. So here is an example. You can also contact bloggers and website owners directly. Find relevant blogs in your niche and see how good they're doing. The blogs with a good number of comments and followers on social networks can help you. Send them an email and ask if they are willing to do a solo ad and pitch your idea and see how they respond. However, when you do a solo ad with a vendor directly without any third party like Udimi, for example, you have to do a research for this seller and check the reviews, because it is risky to work with the sellers directly because you never know anything about their list quality. And you have to use a high quality tracking tools. At the end of the day, working with solo ad vendors directly is risky. When you work via a solo ad directory, you are in the safe hands because it is the responsibility of the directory to filter sellers and ensure traffic quality. Third, direct link or use a squeeze page. I personally recommend you to send traffic from the email to a squeeze page to build your audience, to build your list. These help you build your list instead of sending traffic directly to the affiliate products. Most of the solo ad vendors, however, don't allow you to direct linking to an affiliate product anyway. So if you are using a solo ad directory, there is no way you can send traffic to an affiliate product. If you work directly with sellers, the majority do not allow you to direct linking to affiliate offers. In many cases, you have two options. First, you can send traffic to affiliate offers if the sellers allow, and in this case you will not build an email list. Things will be easy. Just create a short and cheesy email promoting the affiliate product and insert the affiliate links a few times in the email, and you're ready to blast your email to the list. Second, you can send traffic to your squeeze page first or capture page. The email address of the visitors will be captured and then send them to the affiliate offers on the next page. So using a squeeze page is a better and professional approach. It is a little expensive, but it pays off in the long run. So creating a squeeze page needs some research. Alright friends, so in this video I have explained how to use solo ads for your affiliate marketing business. And if you wanted to build a successful affiliate marketing business in professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find the information in this video helpful, please like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. If you have any question, or you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here, so it will help you to give you more knowledge about affiliate marketing. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.